Jesus. Oof. Grab the mic. What is going on, guys? It's your boy Mike. Now, there's been a lot of things going on with Hims lately, right? I mean, listen, this company has been through everything, right? From the beginning of the $40 range and the $50 range. I mean, it's inevitable that this company is going to get hit with a lot of shit, right? There's a reason why Hims literally accumulated $1 billion in convertible notes, right? I mean, they were literally preparing for all this shit that was happening, literally. So I'm not surprised, right? Like I've been saying since the beginning of this channel, Hims is going past $100 at this valuation that we are right now. I mean, this is amazing, right? I'm just gonna just keep on buying. Like this is great, right? Peptides are going to be the future. Labs are going to be the future. Like, it's a no-brainer. I mean, if I came to you and I say, hey, I can probably let you live 40 more years, I'm going to say yes to that, right? So, I mean, this company is literally preparing you to live long. I mean, why wouldn't you want that, right? That doesn't even make any sense. And Andrew Denham, the CEO of Hims, if I didn't pronounce your last name wrong, like right, whatever. But he has been doing a phenomenal job with this company. I mean, the growth is outrageous, right? I mean, I'm not looking at the charts right now, but guys, like more than 30% year over year, right? The company is profitable. Like, the flywheel is literally increasing dramatically. I mean, this is a great company that's set up for a future that nobody has ever seen before, right? Labs is insane. Like, the amount of data that you can get from labs is insane. It's insane, right? So, like, with that data, you could literally take that data, because everybody's different. Everybody has their own body, right? And everybody has certain deficiencies that you may not know of. And, if you're able to find these deficiencies, you can literally tweak whatever metric you want. Maybe you need, I mean, this is generic, but, it goes deeper than this. Like, say your vitamin D is actually low, then you just increase your vitamin D. Or whatever that you need. Maybe your genetics may have weaker tissue repair. So, okay, cool. You know that. So now you're eating that benefits that regeneration. So, I mean, I don't know. This is crazy. And this is why, me personally, I think peptides is literally going to be the future, right? Peptides are amino acids that literally signals your body to produce a certain type of protein, whether that protein is to do this or do that, whatever it does. They have peptides for the hair. They have peptides for the skin. They have peptides for your mitochondrial. They have peptides for everything, right? And yeah, this is going to be a big thing. I mean, now I've looked at a few things. The FDA is starting to look at this and like, yo, peptides are actually working, right? So yeah, I mean, it's pretty clear, right? And then on top of that, this company is literally buying up all these peptide facilities. They're doing everything that they can to just go crazy. Like, yeah, I mean, listen, this just shows that, like, data is very, very important, right? The more data you have, the better you can improve your health, right? So, I mean, Andrew Denham is literally focusing on long-term results, right? They're not really, with these labs, they're not really looking to, like, profit significantly. So they're really trying to increase that flywheel as fast as possible. And this is what I like, right? So, yeah, I mean, if they can improve distribution, make it as efficient and fast as possible, keep hammering down distribution, okay, this and that. This is going to actually create a system that competitors are not going to be able to compete with, literally. So, yeah, like, Hims is that's literally what they doing. They understand this business. They know how far they can go. And yeah. But yeah, no, listen. I love to see it. for a company that's growing this fast and the data that is going to accumulate. And we already know that AI will get better, right? The more data they have, the more they improve the flywheel. So this is what I like to see, and I'm going to continue to accumulate as many shares as possible. If you're in this company right now and you're scared, just know that things are, the stock is going to be going crazy, right? Because you're dealing with the FDA. And that is literally what I expected. This company is literally trying to disrupt the entire healthcare system, right? So, literally just a moment ago, we had the Novo situation. Like, they were suing Hims, this and that. It was inevitable. Like, in the $55 range, I already considered the possibility that, this company may get sued in some way. If you looked at my previous videos, I specifically said that there's a gray area, all right? So Hims is literally fighting that gray area, and they're really testing the boundaries on FDA policy. So this is how you create a change. This is exactly how you make a change, right? You have to test that boundary, because if you don't test that boundary, nothing is really going to change, right? FDA, they are a little bit, I'm starting to see that they are more bullish on peptides. So they're kind of curving into that direction. But these things take time. They're not going to, it's not going to happen overnight. It's just not, right? So in the next 10, 15, 20 years, listen, come back to this video, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Peptides is huge. I literally, I went to Houston the other day, and this guy, he basically, his muscle tissue in his shoulder couldn't recover, whatever that's happening in his body. I don't know his situation, but he had took peptides and he increased the tissue in his shoulders. Now he's telling me, yo, listen, my shoulders is working. I've never, this is amazing. It's crazy. I mean, it's pretty clear. Peptides it works if you use it a certain way, right? I mean, eventually when peptides do become FDA cleared and we have more data, then but this is really something to look at. And I mean, Hims and Hers is taking over this market, so I'm just so happy that they're not focusing on too much on profit on labs. When I looked at the earnings call, I was like, oh, that sounds good. Yeah, that sounds really good. Okay, you're gonna get more data because obviously you want to increase that flywheel. So this is what I like. But man, this company is phenomenal. I love what they're doing. Their purpose, their mission is great, right? I mean, not even just as a consumer, it's both. So, so listen, I took the Hims Labs and I was blown away. I was like, holy shit, I'm more healthy. I feel good. So, I work out, I do handstands. This is what I do. If you guys don't know me on the channel, I don't talk about it, but I could do handstands, I could do muscle ups. I am fit and I am strong, right? I could think clearly. Mind you, I'm not on any peptides right now, but this just shows you what labs can do by you having a better outlook on your body. I mean, you have more data, which means you can move things in the direction that you want. Obviously, everybody wants to be healthy. And as health becomes an asset to the majority of people, this will be an amazing asset. Because, I mean, why don't you not want to know what's wrong with your body, right? But that's just one vertical, right? I mean, listen, this company's in its beginning stages right now. We are in for something. we are in for something. I will say the not the FDA, the fact that Novo is working with Hims, it does kind of okay, a breath of fresh air. You know, we don't have to go through all this stupid litigation risk of, him's balance sheet going down dramatically. So I mean, they're working together. Not to say things won't change, right? But it's nice to see, right? Hims and hers could focus on better things than to worry about any litigation risk. So listen, I'm all for it. But yeah, no. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys have anything to say down in the comment section below, I would love to hear it. Yeah, peace out.